To make a call, you can press the line button, or the hands-free button, or pick up the handset to get dial tone, and then dial the number. Or, with Live Dial Pad turned on, you can simply dial the number and automatically use the hands-free function. As I press line 1, notice the top left corner. This will display the line number that is being used. In this case, L1 is displayed for line 1. Depending on your telephone system, your name and number that is associated with line 1 may also be displayed. If I press the line 2 key, L2 is displayed, and again the name and number associated with line 2 may be displayed. The 6869i supports Hi-Q, a high-definition, wideband audio technology. Hi-Q delivers enhanced audio performance and superior voice clarity. Hi-Q will automatically be used when available. When you have finished with your call, press the goodbye button to hang up.